Okay.
Okay, well, I decided that I needed to get some new windows because my seals had all started breaking on my windows, so I started my search, and then I went out on, I always go through Angie's List to look first, and that's where I found Zen Windows out there, and they had nothing but all A's or A pluses, and so I decided to just search them out. They responded with their quote. I sent my email to them. They responded with a quote within 5-10 minutes after I sent them sent what I had. We talked back and forth via email. I had questions and he answered them. Then I had already had like 2 or 3 other vendors come out and check. And then Dennis sent out someone to come out and measure. And then there was a little bit of an adjustment in the price from the original quote because I had bigger windows, I guess, than the normal. But anyway, so went with the process, and then today the installers are out here real early this morning as the time that they said they were going to be here, and they're pretty much almost done already. They look great, and I'm just waiting for them to finish up on the outside and then show me how to use them.
How did the guys treat your home inside?
Oh, very well. They laid down runners down all over the house. They vacuumed up after they were in each room and did whatever they were doing in the house, and looks like it did when they left or when they came in.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And they're actually going to help me put my blinds back up when they're done with the outside.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, well, thank you. I'm going to scan over to the windows a little bit and see if I can bring those into focus, and
I get those.
maybe this one here. See what we can get. The light's wrong on that one. Okay.